My name is Rohit Rajgor, and on behalf of Ashnik and Docker, I extend a very warm welcome to every one of you at this Tech Insights, the Digital Transformation Series.
Today what we are going to do is, in this Tech Insights session, which is not only about understanding Docker as a technology, but also about understanding how these technologies play a role in the space, what you hear nowadays like containerization, microservices, and DevOps as a process.
You can run Docker on any type of OS, so not only on Red Hat Enterprise Linux, for example, but you can run it on Ubuntu, CentOS, Fedora, even Oracle Linux. You can run it on IBM P, IBM Z. You can run it on any type of cloud, so on Azure, AWS, Google.
A few months back, I was talking to one of the team member from the operations team in one of the leading banks, and I asked him a simple question: what does DevOps mean to you?
If you're aware of change root, those are aware of change root, right? That is the first form of container technology. And then as it evolved, there's Linux container LXC, and then of course Google has been using containers in all their services at scale since 2006.
DevOps is not just a new team structure. DevOps is not just a new management mantra. DevOps is more like a philosophical change. DevOps is more of a process change, a cultural change, where you shift responsibility across the whole development life cycle and not just towards the deployment.
Hyatt Docker from New Age Bank, where he's trying to build that bank as a digital bank. And we have Shailesh Patil, who is from a traditional tourism industry, and how they are still maintaining their position as number one in that sector. And we have Rishikesh Jadhav from ESDS, who is basically providing managed data services.
Coming to the technology selection, we said that first of all, the approach would be mobile only, open source and cloud.
Okay.
These are the three things.
We launched a drive called Kill the Spreadsheet in the organization. We don't have spreadsheets. We said that everything you do, whatever you want to do it into a database. So that it is centrally controlled and everyone has got access to it. We enjoy what we do. Then we give an agile approach to everybody, that people should know many things and not just one thing. Like what previous IT people, you say I'm a DB guy, I'm this person, I'm that person. I told these people, be ready to change and transform. And that's how it is helping Kesri.